Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Shazam with Apple Music. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Shazam app. Now swipe up. You will see this kind of interface. Here tap on setting icon on top left corner and you will be seeing Apple Music. I haven't taken any subscription, so it is showing me try now. You can simply tap on try now and it will land you in this interface. Now tap on start free month button in order to take subscription. So to sync Shazam to Apple Music, you need to take subscription. So this is how you can sync Apple Music with Shazam. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.